Minnesota getaway.
We're headed to Kettle River. He rented out a little getaway for us.
2 years.
To celebrate our 2-year anniversary.
Okay, are we going to the one by your house? Target? Or...
Maybe this one?
This one's pretty good.
No, that's too big. We just got done shopping and we're probably gonna get some breakfast. Oh, this is such a cute little cabin. This one's ours. It's like an outdoor area. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. I'm gonna do a little grocery haul. Mini potatoes. Some green beans. We're only staying one night, so we only bought one meal to cook. And then we got some steak, garlic, potato salad. Tommy wanted to try this. Onion. We love these. These are so good, right?
Yeah.
Our favorite. We got this.
Oh, she go right
And
do the
we
red
got some
test?
samples. Chips. And water. Ah!
there. Really?
Tommy got me a little anniversary gift. Why is it so heavy?
You gotta take one by one. Don't make a trash out of it. I know what that one. You guys, I'll blank it tonight.
We're gonna start cooking now.
Green beans stir fry with garlic, and then potato stir fry with just salt and pepper. Then the best part, steaks. This is good, right? Perfect, right?
No, I can remember Here is the final product.
It's bussin'.
널 좋아하나 봐. 나도 요즘 들어 알게 됐어. 자꾸 생각나 사과 같은 네 얼굴. 널 좋아하나 봐. 나도 모르게 넌 스며들었어. 자꾸 생각나 널 보고 싶었어.
This is my painting so far. Compared to what the fuck? What the fuck? You're not aesthetic. Alright, we're leaving soon. I'm just gonna make a cup of coffee quick. Oh shoot, I know, I forgot. I recorded it. We'll share.
Okay, so we're
Are you excited?